Hello everybody. Welcome to today's webinar on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Project Service Automation for Resource Management. My name is Neha and I am your moderator for today. As part of the panel of speakers for today, we also have Ms. Nikita Sinha, who is a functional consultant for Dynamics CRM practice with Indusa. Nikita's experience lies in requirements analysis and solution designing for Dynamics CRM, also known as Dynamics 365 now, to position Indusa services in leading enterprises. Indusa is a firm based in Chicago with offices in India, both Ahmedabad and Pune, which assists organizations across the globe to grow and evolve through world-class services, people, and technology. In the next 30 minutes or so, we will talk about Project Service Automation or PSA and how it can help your teams work efficiently by giving them automation technology and a complete view into their client relationship. We will then take you into deeper insights on PSA's resource management capabilities with real-life business scenarios. The session will be concluded with its key benefits and why effective resource management is a priority for all professional services executives looking to optimize profit margins, improve billable utilization, retain top talent, and increase client satisfaction. Project Service Automation is a key Dynamics 365 module that enables you to create more profitable customer relationships using intelligent tools. As you see here, PSA helps you with estimate, quote, and contract work, plan and assign resources, enable team collaboration, and capture time, expense, and progress data for real-time insights and accurate invoicing. Microsoft Dynamics 365 for PSA is an integrated suite of solutions built in to manage services from sales through invoicing. As Dynamics 365 for PSA is built on Microsoft Dynamics CRM, no integration will be required as it operates as one holistic solution. It is a cloud-based single system for customer engagement, offering connected and responsive project sourcing, tracking, and billing. Dynamics 365 for PSA consists of customer billing and analytics and integration. Let's take a look at each of these modules in brief. Opportunity management enables management to understand the organization's project pipeline. Project planning makes it easy for your sales and project managers to collaborate on estimates using templates, improving your project planning from estimation to completion. Resource management provides complete visibility across project service, customer service, and field service and increase your consultant's job satisfaction. Team collaboration provides collaborative information for your team members to share information and collaborate. Time and expenses management simplifies time and expense management for your employees. Submitting information, assigning it to users, approving it, and updating the project status are made easy with desktop, web, and mobile apps. Customer billing gives your project managers one location where they can review, override, and approve all job costs. They can generate, approve, and distribute customer invoices in email and on the web. And service analytics that helps management understand all aspects of the projects delivered, that is, their success, cost, revenue, and other critical KPIs. In this session, we would take you through resource management capability of PSA. Resource management effectiveness is critical to project planning and execution, and organizations that effectively and efficiently manage them show 32% higher on-time project completion. This translates into low project overruns, higher utilization rate, and greater customer satisfaction. In fact, effective resource management in a people-first business should be job number one for all project-based organizations. Resource management is the efficient and effective deployment and allocation of an organization's resources when and where they are needed. With this capability, management can view and filter resources based on skills and availability. Resource management capabilities help you to manage resource information, skill association, role association, project information, project resource association, resource approval, and resource request. Talking about resource scheduling, which is a key feature, it helps you to unify resourcing and scheduling so your managers can assign the best consultants to each project based on their skills, availability, and interest. This slide lists some user tasks like entering the resource information and associating role and skills to resource, matching the skills and proficiencies of consultants with the right projects, checking consultants' availability in a calendar view, viewing the percentage of time that your consultants are currently booked, and scheduling resources for a project. I will now hand over the next slides to Nikita, who will take you through the real-life scenario for resource management and PSA.
Thanks, Neha. Hello everyone, this is Nikita. Now we will see how a resource is added in the PSA, how resource role, resource skill, and resource project association are done. When any new resource joins the organization, we need to add its detail in PSA. For adding a resource, we need to go to the PSA module and click on Resource tab. A resource form will appear. Here, we need to add the basic information about the resource like his name, joining date, experience, etc. After a resource is added, we must associate them with some role or title based on which they can be allocated to the project. A resource can have multiple roles associated with him, but the default role of the resource will be only one. We also need to assign skills to the resource and define the proficiency of the skill like good, proficient, and familiar. So, here is the bookable resource view with all its added information. To see the project resource association, we need to enter the basic project information on PSA. Then we will see the project resource association. A project manager needs to add a new project and basic information related to the project, such as name of the project, description, currency, contracting unit, estimated start and end date, etc. To add a team in the project, the resource manager should go and create a team member request. He will add the details in the resource request such as role, time, allocation method if he wants the request. After creating a request, project manager will go and submit the request to the resource manager. Now comes the role of resource manager. He finds the best suitable resource for the request, then he can either propose the resource or hardbook the resource. He will log into the system and check all the active resource requests. To fulfill the request, he will select the request and provided to find all the resource and apply the filter. Based on the request filter, resource will be listed. Resource manager can check the existing engagement of the resources and then allocate time for the existing project. Manager can select two resources to do comparison between them on the criteria like skill associated with the resource, cost of the resource, and their utilization. After deciding the best resource for the request, resource manager can either book the resource or can propose the resource to the project manager. If he simply books the resource will get associated to the project and the request will get fulfilled. Resource manager can also propose the resource to the project manager. In proposed booking, the resource will not be allocated to the project, but they are just proposed to the project manager. He can further decide if the proposed resource is suitable or not, and accordingly he can accept or reject the resource. Now next action is taken by project manager. Project manager will get the resource request status as proposed. When he opens the request, he can get the information about the proposed resources and can accept or reject the proposed resource booking. When the project manager accepts the proposed resource, he will be the member of the project team. Dashboards. Dashboard often provides us at a glance view of key performance indicators relevant to the particular objective or business process. These are some dashboards which are customized as per the requirement. It shows the practice or technology-wise project running in the organization. User can click on the dashboard to see the data. This dashboard on the screen shows month-wise number of projects created in the PSA. We can also create an audit trail report in the PSA. This audit trail report shows the movement of resource from one project to another project. There are many out-of-the-box reports available in the PSA, and we can create our own reports also. The slide shows the list of OOB reports available in the PSA module. For example, we have created a report which shows the practice or technology-wise number of resources allocated to the project, which provide us the insight of assigned and unassigned resources as a summary. So this was the working of resource management. Now Neha will take you through its benefits.
Thank you, Nikita, for taking us through the resource management capability and describe how it works. Coming to the benefits, PSA's resource management delivers a whole range of important benefits to a business with staff in the field or who work on projects that need to be tracked. It provides you with complete resource visibility, increases business value, saves time and money by providing the quick details of all the resource at a glance. The success rate of the project is increased because of efficient resource management, accommodated demand, and as a result, the employee satisfaction also increases. So this was all about resource management in PSA. Let me share some quick facts about Indusa. Indusa was founded in 1989, and since its inception, 80% of our client relationships have lasted for over 8 years. We work primarily in the technology consulting space and provide system integration and IT services. We are headquartered in Illinois, have deployment centers in Ahmedabad and Pune with any shore, off-site, on-site, offshore or blended engagement models. We are a Microsoft partner firm with 14 gold and silver competencies, and our 90% resources are Microsoft certified with deep mid to large market expertise. Our key practice areas include Dynamics AX and CRM, now known as Dynamics 365, Office 365 and Project Pro, SharePoint, Business Intelligence, Enterprise Mobility, Cloud Services, and Custom Application Management. With this, we come to an end of our presentation. Do visit www.indusa.com for more details on our service offerings. We thank you very, very much for your time. source or a slide share. Thanks again and have a nice day.